How to use DoorDash Crimson Card. So first up, if we're talking about the virtual card, once you've added that card to your Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, or Samsung Wallet, you can use it automatically to make online purchases, pay bills, and complete money transfers. If you want to withdraw, the routing number used is located right here. You can also find your account details in your Crimson Hub of the Dasher app. Once your physical card is activated, you will always have access to your card information within the Dasher app alongside your physical card. You will be able to use your DoorDash Crimson card everywhere Visa debit cards are accepted. You will also be able to withdraw your cash with your virtual Crimson card at many large retail, convenience, and grocery stores, even if you don't have a physical card. So to do that, you would need to add your virtual wallet to your digital wallet, navigate to the Earnings tab, click on the DoorDash Crimson banner, click on View Card Details, and click on Add to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. And once you're done, find a participating store like Walgreens, CVS, or 7-Eleven and request cashback when cashing out. Select the cashback option. At the self-checkout counter with the cashier, use your virtual Crimson card via your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Select the cashback option, choose your withdrawal amount, and tap your phone to complete the transaction. Some things to keep in mind is tap to pay. To get cashback with your virtual Crimson card, be sure the local merchant is using a contactless tap to pay card reader for payments. Service availability may vary by location and store policy. Please be sure to check when you're going to a particular store. Some stores do not charge a fee for cashback with purchases, but this varies with retailers. Check with the local store to confirm. Some stores may impose cashback limits. You will be able to verify in the store at the checkout. And that is how you use your DoorDash Crimson card.